1 million pounds of liquid fuel and oxygen. Now in about a few seconds, we'll hear a call out that Falcon 9 is in startup. That means that the onboard flight computers have taken over the launch countdown.
Falcon 9 is in startup.
All right. Right now, stage 1 and stage 2 are beginning to pressurize to their final pressure prior to launch.
LD is go for launch.
All right, that's the final go needed for tonight's launch, coming to us from our launch director. So at this point in time, at T-minus 35 seconds, all systems are go for liftoff of Falcon 9 with our Starlink satellites, including our first 6 direct-to-cell satellites. Let's listen in on the final count.
T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff of Falcon 9. Pitching downrange. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
At T plus 33 seconds, you are watching Falcon 9 accelerate our Starlink satellites out into space. We are throttling down our engines on the first stage vehicle, and that is in preparation for Max Q.
Tower and telemetry nominal.
Good call-outs there. Max Q is the largest amount of stresses that the vehicle sees on ascent, so we do slow the vehicle down just a little bit in preparation for passing through Max Q. And that should be coming up.
Supersonic.
That should be coming up here in just under 10 seconds.
Max Q.
Great news, we have passed through Max Q.
All right, we're a minute and a half into...
MVAC engine chill has started.
That call there tells us that the engine on the second stage, that MVAC, has begun to flow some super chilled liquid oxygen through the engine to begin to bring that hardware down in temperature. We're less than a minute away from main engine cutoff, stage separation, second engine start. Those all happen really quickly, so don't blink. After that, we will jettison the fairings. At this point in time, the first stage is experiencing about 3.3 Gs. Beautiful view there on your screen of the vehicle as it's just lifted off from Vandenberg Space Force Base. Now able to see that plume beginning to deplete as we are preparing for main engine cutoff.
Main engine cutoff. Stage separation confirmed.